give a shot to Diesel.
Rebby's PlayTime!
Hello, everybody.
Hello, sir.
Last night, it snowed a lot. So, make sure you guys need to drive very safe.
Okay, sir.
And I saw a couple eggs sitting on the ice. But make sure don't touch the purple egg. That purple egg is very toxic. Okay, I have to go.
Percy. Snow. I love snow. Me too, Thomas. What kind of eggs Sir Toppleman talking about? A purple egg?
Purple egg. That sounds very interesting. I have to go check. Bye-bye, guys.
Diesel, where are you going? Sir Toppleman said don't touch the purple egg.
It's okay. I'll just check it out.
Ha! Look at the snow. Oh, the eggs. Oh, pink egg. Hello, pink egg. Huh? There we go, purple egg. Let me just check. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Percy, did you hear about new train? It's called Polar Express train. Yes, I heard about Polar Express train. Should we go see? Yes, let's go. Percy, what is the sound? Diesel, what happened to your face? And your voice?
What are you talking about? I love my voice. I feel so good.
Oh, Diesel, did you touch the purple egg? Didn't I tell you that don't touch the egg?
Sir, what should we do? We should fix the Diesel.
Diesel need a special medicine. Diesel, this is the special medicine for you. This red shot will fix you to normal, Diesel.
I don't need shot. I'm going.
No, Diesel, come back. Diesel, come back. Oh no, we have a big problem. We have to hurry and catch Diesel. Thomas, can you go catch Diesel?
Yes, sir. Stop, Diesel!
Time to Batman.
Cinders and ashes. Diesel, you just hit me!
I told you, don't follow me.
Oh no, Thomas, are you alright?
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. I almost catch Diesel, but oh, Diesel just hit me.
It's okay, Thomas. We need more help. Victor! Victor! Yes, sir. Did you call me, sir? How can I help you, sir? Victor, as you know, Diesel ran away with the Polar Express train. That train is so fast, so we have to catch him. No problem, sir. I will make sure catch the train and Diesel. Since Diesel become naughty monster Diesel, I brought a monster. A monster? What kind of monster did you bring, Victor? Here it comes, sir. Oh, Victor, it's a monster truck? Yes, sir. I'll catch the Diesel train with this monster truck. So this monster truck will stop the train. You ready, monster truck? Let's go. Oh, that looks very interesting. Let's try, Victor. Here comes monster truck. Get ready, set, go.
Cinders and ashes. That train is so strong.
What happened, Victor? It didn't work. The train is so strong. Yes, sir. We have to think about different way. Let's try to the side. Okay, Victor, let's try.
You can't take me.
Oh no. What happened? Oh. Oh no, Victor. A monster truck didn't work. What should we do? I'm so sorry to disappoint you, sir. What should we do to stop the train?
Sir?
Yes, Percy. Do you have an idea?
Yes, sir. We can crash the train with another train.
Crash the train? That seems very dangerous.
Yes, sir. But that's the only way to stop the train right now because we have to stop Diesel.
Okay, I hope this is the last try.
Okay, sir. You ready? Set. Go! It works, sir.
Good job, Percy. Let's go get Diesel.
Oh my goodness, who stopped me?
Diesel, there's nowhere you can go now. You are captured.
Let me go! Let me go!
Diesel, we will fix you. Don't worry.
Thomas, bring the magic shot.
Okay, sir. Here is the magic shot. I will give a shot to Diesel.
I don't want the shot! Stop that, please!
It's all done, Diesel. Oh, that was... Oh, what happened? Oh, my voice. My voice is normal. Ha! My voice is normal. Ha ha! Ah!
Good job, everybody. Diesel. You naughty Diesel. Next time, if I say don't touch it, you should not touch it, okay?
I'm sorry, sir. I just wanted to try a new thing. But I'm so sorry, everybody.
It's okay, Diesel. Let's go back to Sodor Island.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Did you enjoy the video, children? If you want to watch more Thomas and Friends video, click the video on top of Diesel. And if you want to watch more Polar Express video, click the video on top of Thomas head. And if you want more videos, click the little boy and press the red button.